Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I wanted to share with you this little Christmas holiday craft haul. So I always buy these card and envelope sets. You get 6 pieces or 6 sets. And a lot of the girls love pink, so I tend to buy them already in pink, and then you can decorate on top whatever color you wish. But yeah, so those are only $1.47 for the 6 pieces. There are 6 sets, sorry. And the other thing, it is holiday related, but really not so much. They are like tag type ornaments. They have the thread there on top, and you get Holy Chic. Then you get Wake Up and Makeup. Isn't that adorable? I just love that one. And then I got 2 of the XOXO. And they were only $2.49 each, and then there was 25% off that. So that was a great price. And they are the wooden pieces, so, and I can alter those if I wanted to add something onto it, but I think they look beautiful just the way they are. And basically that is all that's not really Christmas or holiday themed. I did pick up this cute, adorable ornament. Love that. I thought it was pretty cute. Love the rainbows. That's adorable. So I got that. I picked up 2 of these. I have a cricket, so I'm going to add some sayings on there for my niece. Then I picked up, I'll bring out the trim now. I bought these 3 trims. So you can see it has gold with like some white pom-poms on it. And these are kind of like the I can't remember what that trim's called, but you know what I mean. It's really furry. Love that. Thought it was really cute, so I got silver and gold. I found these, they're not really, I suppose these aren't really holiday themed, but they're the wooden pieces, and I'm going to alter them. I thought they were adorable. They're only $1.27 each. Can't go wrong there. And I am a big camper, my husband and I, so I saw this little camper. It's more of a sign than it is anything. It's like a decoration. It's not really an ornament, although you could make it an ornament. I like to hang that on the wall, but I thought it was super adorable where we love to camp. I thought it was fitting. I picked up this little wooden sign that says, "Let it snow." Obviously, you can alter that or just paint it up. I found these different shades of blue glitter stickers, only $1.47 each. These DIY wood ornaments, and they were $1.47 each, and you get 3 pieces. So I got the star, the stocking, and the mitten. And so I got those 3, and they were $1.47 each. These adorable foam wood art stickers, and that's the Santa, Jolly, Snow, and Holly. Just love those, and they're all glittered up, and they are the foam, so they are pretty dimensional. I also got these yarn pom-poms and Christmas theme. I just love that they're the 3 different colors, so I thought those were pretty cute. And look at these decorative clothespins. I just think they're adorable. So you get the snowman and the reindeer. And they're already done for you. So I thought with some Happy Mail, I would, you can close a package or something with one of those. That was adorable. And then I got this trim. You get the green. Now this trim was only $2.47. And you get 50 pieces. Can you imagine? 50 pieces, and it was $2.47, and it's a ribbon and trim medley. And you think, if I went to Michael's, and probably, here in Canada or any other type of store like that, that would have cost me a lot more. And look at this one. They only had red and gold. They didn't have, oh, there's actually silver in here, so that's perfect. I was just going to say they didn't have any silver. So you had red, green in that one. So you get all kinds of beautiful pieces. And then you have the gold and the silver. And look at the variety. Now, I do already have some from Michael's, but for for $2.47. You can't go wrong. You can't. Tammy Creative Cards and Crafts. You need to get there before these are gone. That's an amazing price. Yeah, love that. Of course, well, as soon as I left the store, I emailed Tammy to let her know, my God, you got to go. They have all their Christmas stuff out. So this is from a store that's Atlantic Fabrics, and it's just by Tammy's Creative Cards and Crafts. It's pretty close to her than it is to me, but it's only about 5-10 minutes from my house. So this is one of the stores that we like to shop at once in a while, but they have really great prices, but their stock has been really low lately. So, and I'm sure that's due to COVID, but so they have the glitter foam stickers. So you have your stockings, you have your toques, as we call here in Canada. So you have your winter hats, and then you have the candy cane. So adorable. Then you have these foil chipboard stickers, and they are chipboard. They're not super thick, but I thought they would look great on cards. They're kind of like the ones at Dollarama. I wanted to see if they were pretty similar, because I know there was a house one that I bought at Dollarama that was kind of like this. So I'm going to probably try and compare it and just see. So I have that one. Perfect. Then you have this one. And they're $1.47 each. So it's just like going to Dollarama. In Canada, anyway. And there you go. So those were all the ones that I got. And that is it for this haul. So again, this is from Atlantic Fabrics here on the east coast of Canada. And guys, check out your fabric stores. You never know what's really in there. I know Johanne Fabrics, but they have a lot of crafts and goods. But this one just has a little section. But, you know, can't go wrong. Really great price. And I hope you enjoyed all this Christmas goodie holiday theme haul. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.